In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photo with Grok AI 2026. Step by step, we're going to take a regular photo and quickly make it look crisper, cleaner, and more balanced using Grok AI. This is great for portraits, product shots, or travel photos that need a professional touch without complicated editing. First, open your web browser and go to the Grok website. You can use any modern browser. If you're prompted to sign in, follow the on-screen instructions so you can access the workspace. A quick tip before you start: keep your original image handy in its highest resolution. The better the source quality, the better the enhancement. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If your photo contains sensitive details, consider masking or cropping those before you upload, and make sure you have the right to edit and share the image. Once you're in Grok, look for the Attach option, the paperclip or Attach button in the chat or input area. Click it to upload the photo you want to enhance. You can drag and drop or browse your device to select the file. Choose the original file rather than a screenshot whenever possible, and avoid heavily compressed versions. Larger images may take a little longer to process, so a stable internet connection helps. After attaching, confirm that the thumbnail appears in the chat area. That's your signal the upload worked. Now, in the message box, type "enhance this image." Keep it simple. Those 3 words are enough to trigger a smart enhancement pass that typically improves sharpness, color balance, exposure, and noise levels. If you have a specific goal, you can add a short note in the same message, like "preserve skin texture," "reduce grain," or "boost clarity in the background." But the basic command works well on its own. Press enter to send. Grok will analyze the photo and return an enhanced version. Give it a moment to process, especially for high-resolution files. When the result appears, look closely at edges, skin tones, and darker areas to judge improvements in detail, contrast, and noise reduction. If you want subtle changes, you can ask for a gentler look. If you need more punch, request stronger contrast or extra sharpness in the same chat thread. Small, clear requests often yield the best refinements. That's all there is to it. Go to Grok, attach your image, and type "enhance this image." With those 3 actions, you can transform an ordinary photo into something polished and share ready in minutes.